Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can we ensure that Google Chrome is never started on the startup. So like whenever you want to prevent Google Chrome from automatically starting, or whenever you are booting your computer, or whenever you are opening your system, that's the process of like disabling the startup. So let's just see how do we do this. So for this you first need to come onto your Google Chrome, then click on these three dots. From here you will find the settings option, so let's just click on that. Now in the settings you need to go to this advanced settings, just click on this drop down. Here we have system settings. So in the system settings, when there is a first option that's giving to you continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, so you need to just disable this one. By default it would be enabled, so you can just disable it. So what will it do? It will prevent Google Chrome from automatically starting whenever you have booted your computer. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.